to go right into this, and first we're going to start with the LA Girl concealer, and then we're going to go ahead and also combine that with the P. Louise base cream so we can go ahead and start prepping our eyeshadow. So now we're going to go ahead and take our first palette, which is the Juvias Place Violets palette, and we're going to take the darkest purple, and we're basically going to use that purple and start blending that into our crease, or actually like above the crease, with very gentle strokes. Palette, and now we're going to take the lighter purple and start basically blending out the edges, and you want to do that very gently. Okay, now I'm going to take that LA Girl concealer that we used earlier, and I'm going to use that to start cutting the crease. And now I'm just going to take this small brush and make these really easy strokes, and also just making sure that that purple eyeshadow is not blending in with the white and creating a color that obviously I don't want because I want this to be like bright white. So you want to make sure when you cut the crease and you're wiping away the makeup with the Q-tip that you let it dry afterwards, just so the white concealer doesn't blend with the eyeshadow that you're using. Go ahead and use this gel eyeliner. I never actually used gel eyeliner, but I wanted to make sure that this look was very bold, especially creating this eyeliner. I wanted to make sure that it was very just dense and that the look was going to come out very bold. And so yeah, you just want to do this with a eyeliner brush and very small, simple strokes. Now I'm going to go over that gel eyeliner with this ARACELI eyeliner. You guys know, if you watch my videos, this is like my favorite eyeliner that I have discovered. It is wonderful. It doesn't make my eyes watery or anything, and it doesn't break me out because other eyeliners were doing that. But anyway, grab this eyeliner. It is wonderful. taking this hydrating spray and spraying that all over my face to start prepping the face, and also using this primer as well. You want to use both just because I noticed that my skin gets very dry before I apply my foundation, and I want to have a smooth canvas. Go ahead and use a setting powder. I'm going to use this Nye setting powder. I've had this setting powder for like 3, 4, 6 years, and I haven't used it in like forever since I first started doing makeup. So you want to take any type of setting powder and a beauty blender or even a makeup brush and just put this on your face so you can start setting your look. Now I'm actually going to take that same Juvias palette and use that lightest shimmer eyeshadow as an highlighter, because I don't have like the purple like highlighters, so I wanted to get a little bit creative and just use that purple as a highlight, which I'm doing. And you just want to use a highlighter brush like I'm using and do it, you know, a little bit aggressively, not so much because you don't want to put too much product on your face. And here is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. Take care.